Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video, I'm going to show you the ticket lifetime feature of the Helpdesk plugin. Okay, so I'm going to use our demo server, that is demo.redmineup.com, so you could access this anytime and do some tests for yourself. For this feature you have to go to your Helpdesk project and then the settings of this project and then Helpdesk tab. Here you will find the ticket lifetime. So ticket lifetime in short means that it is the ticket duration of time when it is auto closed. For example, there are three options that could be set. The first one is the zero value. Zero value means 0 days of ticket lifetime. So as it is 0, then every new reply of the ticket will open a new ticket. So it is not going to be into the same discussion, the reply of the client, but it is going to open a new ticket instead. So I'm going to show you and demonstrate it to you so it could be easier for understanding. Okay, so we write some new ticket to our help desk. The email is demo@redmineup.com. So the subject could be testing the zero value of the Helpdesk ticket lifetime feature. Okay, and some text. Let's hello. Let's try and see what will happen. Okay, so we get our mail manually. It is just a setting of our server. However, of course, you could do it automatically onto your helpdesk in Redmine. Okay, it is still loading. Alright, so we have one new ticket here. So here it is. Alright, so the support agent opens the ticket and just send a reply to the client. Hello Dimitar, thank you. Alright, let's see. Okay, so the support agent just sent his answer to the client and the client received this reply. Here it is, thank you. Alright, let's see. So the key moment now is to reply to this ticket as a client. Okay, it is important now to see where this reply will go. So we send it and now collect the emails again. Here it is. Okay, so we go to the tickets list and see here. As we can see, it is a new ticket here. The client reply on the ticket discussion is opening a brand new ticket. So here it is. Okay, it is important now to see where this reply will go. So again, to say it is opening a new ticket every time when the client replies. Every time. So this is the zero value ticket lifetime. Okay, so the second option of this ticket lifetime is to set some specific value of days. For example, it could be 5 days. Okay, so we set 5 days and save our changes. Okay, so this means that if there is no actions into the ticket itself for 5 days, so there are no changing from the support agents over this ticket, no replies from client, no replies from the support agent to the client, so nothing happens to this ticket. So if nothing happens, for example, for 10 days, then if there is a reply from the client, it will automatically open a new ticket. But if there are replies and actions in between these 5 days, for example every day or after 2 days, etc., then every reply will come into the same ticket discussion. So the idea of this is, if there is some very old ticket, for example some 6-month-old ticket or 1 year, then a client replies, and if it goes into the same ticket discussion, then the support agent could miss it in some way. So that's why it is opened a new ticket after this time. So this is the idea. Alright, so let's test and see how it will work. So yeah, we create a new ticket now and name it testing the 5 days value of ticket lifetime helpdesk feature. Hello guys, how are you doing today? And not a very good request for support team, but alright, let's do it. Okay, so we collect our emails. Yeah, we have to be patient here. Okay, we collected our email. So here it is, testing the 5 days value. Alright, so it is a brand new ticket, and as a support agent we reply to this ticket. Say hello, Jimita. Yeah, we are doing well. How about you? So the client Jimita just receives his answer. Yeah, we're doing well. How about you? And okay, so the client answers good, but I want to see if this reply will come into the same ticket discussion, because it is under 5 days between answers. Okay, so we send our reply, and again we collect it. Okay, so we see that here the status is in progress. So this means it is not new. If it is new, then it is a new ticket. If it is in progress, then it is a reply saying sent into the same ticket discussion. So let's open and see. Yeah, so here is the main request, the reply of the support agent, and the reply of the client. So the reply of the client has come into the very same ticket discussion. Alright, so this is because the replies and the actions over this ticket happened within these 5 days. So they are happening today. If every day there is a discussion, then every time the replies are going to come into the same ticket discussion. However, if someone stops answering and the ticket just freezes and there are no actions, for example, for 8 days, then when a client replies to the ticket, it will open a new ticket discussion because it has passed the 5 days value. So this is the functionality, and this is how it is working. Okay, so this was the second option of the ticket lifetime. It was setting a value. And the third last option for the ticket lifetime is to set non-value. So setting non-value means the absolutely opposite of the 0 days. So the non option means that every time, forever, every answer from the client will come into the same ticket discussion, just as it is here. So no matter how much time will pass, it will be 20 years, 50 years, 100 years, 1000 years, and so on. Every time the reply from the client will come into the very same ticket discussion. It will be forever coming into the same ticket discussion. So this is this infinite option, infinitely. I hope everything is now clear, and I hope this feature of ticket lifetime 3 options are now understood by you. And if you have some questions or difficulties, please don't forget and don't hesitate to contact us at support@redmineup.com, and we will help you. We will answer all your questions and help you find the answers of your difficulties. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope it was good and helpful for you. If you like it, you could check others, videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thanks again, and bye bye.